The 2000 UK 1 penny coin might seem like an everyday, forgotten piece of loose change, but beneath its simple copper-plated steel surface could lie the key to unimaginable wealth. It's the kind of coin that millions of people handled, spent, and ignored, yet a few rare examples hide secrets that could catapult an ordinary person into overnight billionaire status. These extraordinary coins are not just valuable because of their age or their looks. They are valuable because of mysterious minting errors, production anomalies, and unique features that collectors around the world are desperate to own. If you happen to have one of these rare variants in your pocket, your entire future could change in a heartbeat. When the Royal Mint struck the 1 penny coins in 2000, they were intended to be perfect representations of British currency. Simple, dependable, and uniform. But perfection is often elusive, and it's in those tiny moments of flaw that legends are born. Certain 2000 UK pennies were produced with unusual die errors, incorrect metal compositions, or rare design misalignments that slipped unnoticed into circulation. These mistakes transformed what should have been a simple penny into a one-in-a-million treasure, and today, the right era coin could easily fetch a fortune far beyond the wildest dreams of the average collector. One of the most prized errors from the 2001 penny series involves wrong planchet strikes, where the penny was accidentally minted on metal intended for another denomination. Imagine a penny that feels lighter, thinner, or even has a slightly different hue, a subtle difference that only a trained eye might notice. Such a coin is a freak of nature in the world of minting, and collectors crave them like holy grails. Depending on the specifics of the error and its condition, these coins have the potential to reach into the millions in value, sparking bidding wars and frantic offers from elite buyers eager to add the ultimate rarity to their prized collections. The sheer power hidden in the 2000 UK penny lies in its accessibility. Unlike gold bars locked in vaults or priceless artworks in museums, this treasure could be hiding in your everyday life. It could be sitting at the bottom of a piggy bank, rattling around in an old drawer, or resting forgotten inside a dusty purse. This unassuming coin, when properly identified and authenticated, could turn an ordinary person into a legend overnight, rewriting the story of their life in the most dazzling way imaginable. It's a modern-day fairy tale hidden in the folds of reality. The rush of discovering such a coin would be like winning the lottery, but even more satisfying because it's tied to history, mystery, and a twist of fate. You wouldn't just be gaining wealth. You would be stepping into a story of destiny. People dream for years of finding such rarities, spending hours poring over coins with magnifying glasses and high hopes. To stumble upon $1 million error penny is to touch something magical. Proof that luck and fortune sometimes hide in the simplest of places. However, this incredible opportunity demands caution and care. The 2001 penny error coins must be preserved meticulously if they are to command their true value. Cleaning, polishing, or mishandling such a coin could strip away vital features that prove its rarity. The smart move would be to have it evaluated by a world-respected grading authority, encased in protective housing, and introduced to the world with the fanfare it deserves. Experts and collectors alike would then recognize its true worth, and you could watch as life-changing offers pour in from every corner of the globe. If you find yourself the lucky holder of such a coin, resist the urge to sell quickly or settle for the first offer. Understand that your little copper coin holds the weight of dreams. It carries a chance to step into a world of luxury cars, private jets, exotic vacations, and financial freedom forever. A true once-in-a-lifetime discovery like this must be handled with strategy, patience, and the full understanding of its rare magic. In the end, the 2000 UK 1 penny proves one timeless truth. Greatness often hides in the most unexpected places. It's a reminder that even the smallest, most ordinary object can possess the power to utterly transform your destiny. That tiny disc of copper-plated steel could be your silent fortune, waiting for the perfect moment to reveal its power and make you the next great success story. So look closely, hold on to hope and believe, because one simple penny can still hold the promise of $1 billion future.